How to take screenshot on Snapchat of a specific snap without notifying the other person with live video proof. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can actually take a screenshot sent from this mobile to this mobile without notifying this specific person right over here. So I'm going to show you with full live proof, so you want to make sure to stick with me till the end. Now first let me open up Snapchat in both of these accounts. So I'll go ahead and open up Snapchat here, and I'll open up Snapchat here as well. I'll show you the profile over here. This profile is right over here, and then this profile is on the right hand side. This profile has actually sent a profile to the profile on my right hand side, so it has sent a snap from this profile. So if I come back over here, right over here, you can see I have received a snap from this person. So if I come back over here, you can see that this person has actually sent a snap. So let me just come back over here, come back to my chat page, and you can see I have sent, and it has shown the delivered check mark as well at the very top of the screen. The snap has been delivered. Now what we will do is we want to take a screenshot of the snap that this person has sent to the other phone right over here. So first of all, I'll exit out of Snapchat on my other phone. Now over here, once you come to the snap page, you want to make sure to turn off your internet connection, or turn off any type of connection to the internet. So you can turn on flight mode or do whatever else you can to just disconnect yourself from internet. After that, you can just open the snap that you want to take a screenshot of, and then go ahead and simply take a screenshot. So as you can see, I've taken a screenshot right in front of you. It also says tap here to see your screenshot. So this is a screenshot that is over here. Now what we will do is you want to quickly exit out of Snapchat. Once you quickly exit out of Snapchat, if you are on Android, you can go to the Snapchat app info page by long pressing on it and going to the eye icon. You will be taken to the app info page. And if you're on an iPhone, I'm not really sure, but you can try to offload and uninstall and reinstall the application. For Android users, you want to come here, go to the option called storage, and then here you'll find clear cache, and you'll find clear data. So once you clear cache files and clear data, now you can simply turn on your internet connection after turning off flight mode as well. Just turn on your internet connection, and now open up Snapchat, and now try to log into your account. So I'll just go ahead and log into my same account. So I'll show you the proof as well, because this is the same account that I actually took a screenshot of. And then after that, I'll just go ahead and allow the permissions. Now once I've allowed the permissions, I'll still show you by coming to my profile page over here. It was the same account from earlier as you see. This is Bimo65. Now on this case, the mobile and the Wi-Fi is actually still connected. If I still open the Snapchat application, and then I come to the chat page over here, you'll be able to see. And if I open the Snapchat over here, you'll still be able to see that if I come to my chat page, you'll see that if I come to that specific chat, it still doesn't show that this profile has actually taken a screenshot. So as you can clearly see, there is no any notification, there's not any type of message that says that I've taken a screenshot on the other person's profile. And this is how it's going to work. You want to quickly take a snap after disconnecting from the internet, and then you want to go to clear your data and clear your Wi-Fi as well, and then turn on your Wi-Fi and then re-log in, and this time it will not notify. So this is how you can actually take a screenshot sent to you of a snap on Snapchat without notifying the other person. I showed you with proof right over here live. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, because I sure deserve a subscribe by you. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.